I'm standing on the protocol observed already. So I want to know who's in the room, who is a trustee, a principal officer, who's involved with pension funds? 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. The rest is just the public and interested people and the foundation. Okay, thank you. So I've been given 10 minutes. I'll try to stick to the 10 minutes. So first I want to talk about retirement. So can someone tell me what is retirement? What does the word retirement mean? Old. I'm hoping I'm not in that category. What is the meaning of the word retirement? Ending. Okay. Okay, so the act of withdrawal from one's position or occupation or from active working life. That's now according to the Merriam-Webster dictionary. So it's the ending of something. So it's the ending of your employment life. So if we say that's the ending of the employment life, what is a retirement fund? So this is very important because I get weird requests about pension funds, and I have to explain that is not why we have a pension fund. So what is your understanding? What is a pension fund? What is a retirement fund? And please don't tell me it's GIPF. There is more to pension funds than GIPF, so it's not GIPF. What is a pension fund? What is a retirement fund? I always say the one who smiles is the one with the answer, so please don't smile.
Is it me now?
Hey,
Oh,
you smile.
retirement fund.
Yes.
Okay, for me now, as based on the definition that retirement is when one has stopped working.
Yeah.
Okay, or maybe occupying a certain position, then you have retired from it. Then a fund is money given to a person once they have ended their position, or once they have decided that this is where I stop. Then from there I need my fund.
I need my money.
Yes, I need my money at that moment. It's not when time. It doesn't have to do with old age.
It doesn't have to do with old age.
Yes.
Okay. You're in the right direction. So it is a special fund which people pay money into so that when they retire from their job, they will receive money as a pension. This is very important. I want us to pause here. Because the other day I received a call from someone, and she said, my brother passed away in America. We need 250,000 Namibia dollars to repatriate the body. Can I please get money from my pension fund, Mr. Kamatuka? And I said, that's not why we have a pension fund. So the pension fund is to put money away for pension, for the day of pension. Is that clear?
That definition, I think, is a little bit. It's not complete.
It's not complete?
No, it's not accurate because people don't have to pay in money. Your employer could pay 100% of your pension.
So the people can be the employer, or can be the employer and the employee.
Well, it could be, yes. I'm saying the way it's written, it's talking about people when they retire from their job, they will receive a pension.
Yes.
It's at least theoretically, the source of the money
It can also be the employer.
Does not define whether it's funded.
Yes, that's correct. The source of the money is always the employer and the employee, or sometimes just the employer only. So that's true, yes. Okay, so retirement provisioning, it was in the scope that was given. What do you think is retirement provisioning now? After we explain what is retirement, what is a retirement fund, now what is making provision for retirement? Okay, for the sake of the 10 minutes. So as we say, retirement is now for putting money away for the day of retirement. So the provision of something is the act of giving it or making available to people who need it or want it. So it's making provision for something that you will need in the future. So that's retirement provisioning. Okay, so now retirement provisioning in Namibia. So I took some work from Dr. Damoy from his work of 2017. There are the social grants, the non-contributory old age pension. It's 1,000 compared to the salary that you received the last day when you worked. So that ratio, that replacement ratio, is the net replacement ratio. Now, the net replacement ratio for Namibian pension funds is set at around 20%, while the general prescription is at least, or should at least be 60%, that's according to the OECD. Now, as per the book of Dr. Damwen, the Namibian retirement ratio is targeted at 45 to 60%, but this is really not attainable because in most developing markets, if not all, it's below 20%. So the reason can be inadequate contributions from members, excessive pre-retirement withdrawals. So when you withdraw from your fund, when you move from employment to the other employer, and maybe just general low coverage that you are putting aside for your retirement. These are some of the factors that leads to a low net replacement ratio. So now the summary of to make a summary, to summarize what I've been saying is that if we look at what I just said now, the current system is inadequate. The question was, is it inadequate? Is the current pension system or pension schemes adequate for the Namibians? And it comes now that it is inadequate. The current system is fine. The current pension system is fine. The regulator will speak about the regulatory reform, which they are busy with, which is good. We need to support it. They just need to do more consultations. Thank you for the consultation that you have done. Just tweak it a little bit, 1 inch higher. Yes. So, but the current system is fine. The sector is doing very well. The governance structures of the sector is very good. The private sector is really doing good in this respect. Additional savings, I spoke about the extra savings that we should put aside. This is really important because we say that the net replacement ratio is generally below 20%, and then there is the rest of the population which is not covered by the pension funds, and the ones that are working, but they're also not covered in the pension funds. And that's where the national pension fund will come in, which is actually a very good thing because we have the members of our community who are not part of the current system because either they are not employed, so they are not contributing, or maybe they are employed in the informal sector and they are not contributing to the pension funds, or maybe they are contributing, but it's just not enough for the day of retirement. So the national pension funds comes in here, and it is really handy. It is very important for us to support it so that it can make the current system adequate. And that will be the last slide. Hope I'm in my 10 minutes. Thank you.